How to open YouTube audio library on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to access the YouTube audio library directly from your mobile device. It's quick, simple, and super useful for creators like us. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, simply scroll down and tap on Help under Help and Policy. And after that, on the new page, simply tap on the search help, and at the search bar, simply type audio library and search for it. And while you are searching for audio library, in the suggestion you can see the option labeled as music and sound effects from the audio library. So simply tap on that. And once you tap on it, it will lead you to the article. Now here in the middle of the article, you can simply see the sentence that says you can also access the audio library directly at youtube.com/audio library. So simply tap on that blue link. And once you tap on it, it will take you straight to the YouTube audio library, even on your mobile browser. And there you go. Now here you can browse, listen, and download royalty-free music and sound effects directly from your phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.